Sana po magustuhan niyo po yung pelikula namin and yun po, sana po matulungan niyo po kaming i-promote siya through the social media.
Hashtag P77 Magkaiba yun.
Ayun, yun daw. Okay po. To all of our lovely guests who are here tonight, thank you all so much for coming. Please do help us promote tonight's event by using our official hashtags, hashtag P77movie and P77 Premiere Night. Ayan, thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Enjoy po kayo.
Yes, opo. Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Thank you. Salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta. Thank you.
Ang mga pangalan ng ating buhay. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang relasyon.
Hello. Uy! Hello po. Hello po.
Hello. Hello po. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So that was P77 po ang pelikula namin. Sana po ay nagustuhan po ninyo. Like I said a while ago, it is an alternative narrative horror film pero marami po kaming tinakal na contemporary issues at sana po ay wag natin kaliligtaan kamustahin ang mga luna sa buhay natin dahil at the end of the day, hindi lahat ng malalakas na tao palaging malakas. So, let's be there for our Luna. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching. Please do help us promote our film, P77, July 13 na po, out in cinemas nationwide. Thank you, Direk! Salita ka, Jen!
Maraming po salamat and yun po, sabi po ni Barbie, yun din po, siguro for me yung message po ng buong film is that yung pagmamahal ng magkapatid and then and more than that ay matuto tayo patawarin yung sarili natin kapag kinakailangan na.
Thank you po! Maraming salamat po! Thank you po. Ay!
Yun o! Salating siya. Hindi para umaklap ako dito. Oo. Nakamay tayo. Nakamay. Kasi mainit eh. Kailangan natin yung requirement. Thank you po. Thank you po, salamat. Hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Ano po bang gagawin natin? Yun o!
Ayan, tapos sabay-sabay yung ano, yung sound. That's really striking sound. Erickson? What's up, Jan? Stera?
Congratulations.
Congrats po. Congrats.
Hi Jameson, any reaction after watching the film? Any reaction after watching the film? Ang galing ni Barbie.
Oo nga eh. Hi.
Grabe.
I don't know. Goosebumps with the sounds and everything.
Iba,
Very,
no?
very good.
Yeah.
Well made.
Thank you.
Everyone should watch it.
Of course. Yeah. Thank you.
what should I say? Good job, very good job, and yeah, the emotions that he showed the movie was really good, and it's something that everyone should watch. It's not the typical Barbie. No.
Thank you, Jameson.
Natakot ako sigaw niya, pero anyway, ang feeling ko nga is para siyang pag meron akong mental problem, diba? You never know kung ano yung nasa head ng isang tao. So, yeah, I think it's have to be nice to everybody. And yeah, Barbie's so good, as always. Diba? Thank you.
Hi,
Hey.
what can you say about her acting? What can you say about her acting?
Well, as always, she never fails to surprise us, right? Kahit alam naman na natin na magaling si Barbie, pero ganun pa rin, diba? This one is a different genre, and for her to, star in a film na she's alone, diba? Really, really proud of her, and she deserves a lot more movies and more blessings, and ultimately to be happy in life.
Bakit kailangan panoorin ng mga Barda fans ang P77?
Well, of course, it's Barbie, di ba? Marami kasing lessons yung movie, in my opinion, and yeah, feeling ko it's a must-watch.
Magkakaroon ba ng movie soon with
Sorry?
Barbie? Magkakaroon ba ng movie soon this year?
Hopefully, let's see.
Message mo na lang sa akin.
Hey Barbie, I'm really, really proud of you. Sana ay mas marami pang ikaw na gawin na projects dahil napakagaling.
Thank you.